Okay. You're safe now. Don't worry, honey. You're safe. Don't you worry. We're leaving. She's walking along a little bit better already. Now, she did get hosed this morning. She got a little bit of Banamine, a little bit of Bute for the trailer ride. But look at that. She's walking a little bit better. Look at that. Look at that. God bless her. God set her up. She's got a little bit of hay. I gotta do her water bucket. She's not gonna get any greener. Now we have the pony set up. We get the clean, sparkling water. We get the slow feed hay bag so the pony can have access to feed all the time, but it's got to be slow, and you got to do it very, very carefully, because this pony is just foundered. You can't sock the calories to it, even though it's thin. And here's just a little pile of hay, so that he can have a snack right away, because he's probably hungry. And yeah, he did just have some Bute for the trailer ride over, so he's much more comfortable. But I just saw the Coggins, and I'm here to tell you, her name, you're going to be so glad you saved this pony, my friends. You are going to be so glad. Her name is Sunshine. Her name is Sunshine. You saved Sunshine. Alright, I gotta hose her feet down. Okay. Bon appetit, Sunshine. You're safe. You're safe now. Oh, I should point out to the people, the reason that she's in this paddock without grass is because grass is a problem. That paddock over there has tons and tons of grass. And that's not the right thing for a pony who's foundered. That is a bad plan. So this turnout, I know you're looking going, why isn't the pony in the grass, the beautiful lush turnout? Because that is going to be a problem for a pony who has foundered. Only horses who are used to grass should eat grass, and foundered ponies would be put in jeopardy with grass. So little Sunshine is getting appropriate attention and management. She's got Magic Cushion coming tomorrow, and I've been in touch with the vet. After the vet comes the farrier.